So today we got a brand new Mercedes GLC, just been driven from the dealership over to our place here, and we're going to be giving this car a ceramic coating. The wheels, the paintwork, and also the glass. This thing it's not dirty at all. This thing isn't even dusty. The wheel arches haven't seen any dirt yet. So what a lot of detailers would actually do here, they would just take a product like Car Pro Eraser, spray it down, wipe it down, and then start polishing. And you know, that's perfectly fine, but for this video we're going to give it a quick wash. I'm just going to foam it with the foam cannon. Probably just use gentle snow foam just to get this little bit of dust that that's on here off the car. Not going to be doing anything to the wheels. I will be taking these off anyway, and then I'll quickly clean them once they are once the car is on the lift. So it's not really necessary to rinse down the car since it's so clean. I just wanted to give it a quick rinse. That way I'm able to tell if they used any sort of like protection product at the dealership. Most of the time they don't. They just use something like a detail spray or something. In this case, we can perfectly wash it with gentle snow foam. We don't need anything else. And you know, we're polishing it anyway. So even if there would be any sort of like, I don't know, wax or sealant or some stuff on the surface, we would polish it off anyway. Let's get washing. All right, so while the Iron Terminator is doing its thing, I'm gonna prep the glass here with the Glaco glass compound. We're gonna be coating the windows as well. So we gotta prep this. This product is perfect to use during the wash stage, because you can just simply rinse it off. It's a polish that you can just rinse off. You don't have to wipe it. It's super easy to use. All right, so I got the wheels of the car. I just sprayed them down with magic wheel cleaner. Just gonna let it sit for a bit, and then I'm gonna rinse it off and then give them a wash. I got one of the new Ultra Wool wheel mitts by the Rag Company. These are super soft. These are also available in our store as of now. So yeah, really like these. Okay, so I just sprayed down the wheels with Kokimi panel prep, and I'm going to be applying the ceramic rims, the new ceramic rims, ceramic coating for the wheels. Since this wheel has a lot of spokes, it has 20 spokes, I'm going to try out these application pens. I think they're going to come in really handy for this wheel design. to wipe it off. This coating also has a lifespan of 12 months, so up to a year, just like CarPro Deluxe. So I've just left this on here for a couple minutes, and you know, then was ready to wipe off. I've just done my first pass. This is a second pass with a fresh towel. Always use 2 towels when wiping down a ceramic coating. That way you will prevent high spots. All right. It's time to give this car a one-step polish. I'm using Kohimi Microcut. I also got a microcut pad on my polisher here. I always give, even though this car looks pretty much perfect, there aren't really any scratches to remove, but I always give new cars a one-step polish, at least a one-step polish. That way, you know, the surface is prepped correctly and we just get the maximum amount of gloss. There we go, just a very light polish. This is a Edgeless 350 by the Rag Company. My favorite towel to wipe off polishing residue. All right, so the polishing is done. This is really no exciting stuff when a car is in this condition. Mercedes, usually they are pretty well delivered straight from the factory. Some cars come very swirled up from the factory. With Mercedes, that's usually not the case. So let's bring the car down. All right, so I'm getting the tape removed here. And then one thing left to do before we start coating the car is to decrease the paint with Kohimi panel prep. And then it's ready to start coating. Right, coating time. I'm going to be applying C-Quartz Finest Reserve by CarPro to the paintwork, and I'm also going to be applying the Ultra Glaco glass sealant to the glass. Let's take the bottle out here, get my applicator, and start applying. Prime the applicator, and then just simply apply it to the paint. With this ceramic coating, so the C-Quartz Finest by CarPro, you're not really getting a rainbow effect when the coating is ready to be wiped off. It's sort of like, almost like starts to sweat. That means in this case, it's ready to be wiped off. If you're using anything else, like a different coating, maybe C-Quartz UK or the new one from Kohimi, you will get this rainbow effect. That means your coating is ready to be wiped off. So yeah, if you guys want to try out a coating, I would definitely recommend getting either C-Quartz UK 3.0 or the new Kohimi ceramic body. Both are great coatings, and also fairly easy to install. So check it out if you are interested. So I finished coating the entire car. One thing left to do here is to apply our Ultra Glaco glass sealant. This stuff is amazing. If you guys are looking for a glass coating for your windows, this is the stuff you need to get. This is the best. Just squeeze the bottle and then just spread the liquid evenly. And that's really how easy this is. This stuff just needs to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then it's ready to be wiped off. So the Glaco glass sealant is now on the windshield. Gotta let it sit for about 5 more minutes. Gotta get the wheels back on the car, dress the tires, wipe off the sealant, and then we're done. I'll show you the final result.